In this video, we're going to go through the purchase order process. To create a new purchase order, we open the purchase order screen. First, we need to select the supplier account by typing in part of the word and selecting the supplier account. We can also select the magnifying glass and search through the list manually. Next, we're going to update the date if that's required, update the promised on date, and if available, we can put in a supplier reference number. Next, we're going to add details to the purchase order lines. In this field, we're going to start typing the inventory ID and we'll get a list of search results and can then select our item. The warehouse will pre-populate, or we can click the magnifying glass to select and another warehouse. We'll leave these two line fields as default, and on the order quantity, we're going to add in the quantity we want to order and the unit price will pre-populate based on the settings for the item. Next, we're going to press the down arrow key for a new line, and then we're going to add a new item. At this time, we're going to search for it through the lookup. Let's select that one. Next, we will add the quantity for this item, and once done, we will click to save the purchase order. We have been allocated the next new number in the sequence, and notice the purchase order is on hold. This means we can still edit the purchase order. On the More menu, we've got a few actions that we can do. We can remove the order from hold. We can print our purchase order, recalculate prices, or print these reports. In this case, we're going to remove the order from hold. Also, notice we've got various tabs along here. Here we can calculate the taxes, review any shipping information, supplier information, calculate our discounts, view the purchase order history. On this tab, it will show us any linked returns or receipts or bills or any other documents related to this purchase order. If we add any prepayments, they will be listed in this tab. And other relevant information is shown here. Clicking back to the Details tab, also notice the header totals which got calculated based off the information that we added to the lines. We cover additional MYOB advanced workflows in other videos.